Two random scrubs, back with another Maverick video. We're out at the Maverick and we finally have fog lights ready to go. So they're gonna go right here where the spot is, and it's one piece on the bumper. So we're gonna have to cut a hole. We're gonna try and find out what looks the best. Cut little at first. If I don't like it, I'm gonna cut the whole thing. Then we're gonna put two fog lights on each side, and then wire them up to the switch panel we installed on the driver's side, and then that's it. We got some brackets ready to go, so I think it's time to make that cut. All right, so we got a multi-tool. That's our tool of choice, I guess. We're just gonna get in here and go to town. Hopefully he comes out good. First, I'm gonna try and follow like this crease, I guess. I mean, I'm not very good with the multi-tool. That's the issue. Other issue is there's ants.
You're good with.
There's ants all over the ground. But I have ants in my pants. This junk gonna look like shit because there's not about to be a straight line. I'm thinking.
Why not?
Because I'm not good. No going back now, huh? There's our starter hole. Here's what it looks like if anyone's curious. Looks like a bunch of nothing in here.
Yeah, some wires.
Alright, well, not the straightest square. Alright, so we got our hole pretty much mocked out. Hit it with the files, flatten out some edges. Here's our rough plastic. If you want this, let me know. Sell it to you. So we're mocking up a bracket right now, trying to figure out how we want it to sit and stuff like that. And then, actually first we might go ahead and cut that second hole and then come back to you. Cut the passenger side. Come back, at least you know what we're thinking. Alright, so when you get your light, it comes with the brackets. So first you want to put the big mounting nut or bolt through, then put this on like this, scoot it up here. Then there's two sliding nuts in there. You just want to line them up with these holes. Screw them in, line the second one up. Then you want to slide them against. One will be against the wire, one will be away from it so that they're close together. Then you just tighten this down. And this is how you adjust your angle, how you want the light to be aimed. It's like this. Y'all get it. So your mileage may vary on where you want these pointed, but I'm just putting them here for now, see what the beam looks like, and then we can adjust them later. Alright, what's up? Obviously it's dark outside now. It gets dark at like 5, so got a little cut off, but you can see the bracket in here. There's a bracket that goes into, there's a hole in like the bumper frame type thing, so we got mounted to. We have one light on right now, and this wire comes from the other side, and it runs underneath like this front lip part by the intercooler. Comes around, they meet up, they connect, and then we got them going into the wire that we're gonna run through the firewall and everything. So we just gotta put this last light on, route this wire through the firewall to the panel, and then
Got done.
then we should be able to show you what it looks like. What's something they should know? So these are all quick soldered. You can solder them if you want, but we didn't have the solder gun out here. Yeah, so we got
basically
them.
want to mount it. You basically gonna want to mount it with one light on the bracket, because if you have two, it's hard to put your hand in there. So if you just have one on there, you can tighten everything up.
Yeah, and then we got them aimed out a little bit. So
adjust to your preference.
yeah, two on each side. That's what the kit comes with. Kit comes with everything you need, and then you just gotta wire everything up, cut some holes, mount some nuts, bolts,
Run a little bit of wire.
run some wire, and so we're gonna get this wire run, the last one mounted, and then we should be good to go.
Look like a ghost right now.
Do it? Yeah. Alright, so we got this last light mounted up. We got all the wires connected. I got it ran through the firewall through the grommet. I guess I can show you real quick. You can show them up there.
Same spot as all the other junk we did. Yep. Right there.
Alright, so now I'm just gonna, all that's left to do is finish it. So here's our switch panel that we did before, right? So I'm just gonna get this wire to go to the first switch on there, and then we should be done. So BRB. All right, well, we got everything done for the most part. So you can come see if I flick the switch. Bow. Switch on. Then you come take a look at the front of the truck. You can see all the fog lights are on. So there you go. We're still gonna figure out the angle.
Yeah, might adjust them a little bit.
Yeah, some are a little off, but we'll get that figured out. But that's the fog light kit.
That's the install.
Yeah, that's the install.
Not too bad.
Not too bad. You just gotta run some wires to some switches and then mount. There's already a hole underneath where you mount the bracket to that comes in the kit. And then it's just kind of finagling. It's not the easiest job, but it can be done. Pro tips, I don't know, I have a lot of tools out on the ground.
Pro tip is to do it with the furthest one onto the outside off.
Yeah, so that only one light's on the bracket, then put the bracket in.
And then tighten everything up.
Then put in the last light after everything's already tight.
Yeah.
And then
you'll be good.
But you can still adjust the angles and stuff. There's a nut on the top that you can loosen to do, so you don't have to undo everything to turn them and stuff. We did cut the holes a little big.
Yeah, just cut you a little bit smaller hole.
But I mean, that's just shit that happens. Not that bad of an install. I'll show you with this light off. Everybody like the homemade light? It's just a shop light clamped to a wooden stool.
There you go. Look at the beams pretty close. Maybe that one's just aimed a little farther that way.
We'll figure all that out.
We'll figure it out.
But yeah, with the flicky switchy, you just hit it. So yeah, it's gonna be live on our site, refinetruck.com, if you're interested. We also got the t-shirts and stuff down there coming up on 1,500 subscribers soon. I mean, yeah, 1,500 subscribers soon, so thanks to subs. And hope you enjoyed the vid. Let us know what you think. Let us know if you're interested, and we will catch you sometime in the next video. Hopefully I can cut to a daytime screen tomorrow when I wake up that shows you in the daylight, since I know it's pitch black out here at 5 o'clock.
And they can't see nothing. They can see the lights work.
So hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. If not, I should see you tomorrow. So cut to the daylight clip. Alright, pause on the daytime clip. I want to turn the headlights on, show you how it looks, like how the color matches and everything. So here it is. All the whites still match, everything looks great.
Everything looks pretty good.
I can still hit the flicky switch. Flicky switchy.
Yeah.
So that's what it looks like with the headlights on and stuff, so.
Shoot to the daytime clip?
Yeah, unless I have a nighttime driving clip to show you. I don't know. The next clip is, you take a guess. All right, so we're out on the road right now. Just in my neighborhood on this dark road. I'm trying to show you. Right now we have them angled like to the sides of the road. So I'll try and show you. So here's just headlights.
Come back in. Here, now that's them.
That's them off. There's on the left too. You can see all that?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, well, before I get pulled over for flicking on my lights on and off, that's what they look like. So
they look like we just got them aimed far off.
Yeah, we got them aimed, so we'll worry about that when we get to it.
Make some adjustments and maybe some light out maybe.
Yeah, but now we should be able to cut to the daytime clip. So
Are you sure about that?
no, but we'll see. All right, so we're back kind of in the daylight. So let me show you what they.
Good day, huh?
I guess you want to show them right now, real quick. Here they are, finished. Get back here.
Morning clip, huh?
So it look good, yeah.
They're not even on.
Yeah, I know. That's what they look like, though.
Oh, that's what they look like.
Now I'll turn them on for you.
There you go.
Look good.
Yeah.
So that's the kits. I'll put this before the outro. Outro already made, right?
Mm-hmm.
Kits on sale, findshop.com. Link in the description if you're interested. Link in the description if you're interested, and thanks for checking it out. So.